Not none test in Python. Out of these not none tests, which one is preferable, and why?
Is the Pythonic idiom for testing that a variable is not set to none. This idiom has particular uses in the case of declaring keyword functions with default parameters. Is test's identity in Python. Because there is one and only one instance of none present in a running Python script/program, is the optimal test for this. As Johnsy Webb points out, this is discussed in PEP 8 under Programming Recommendations. As for why this is preferred to, this is simply part of the Zen of Python. Readability counts. Good Python is often close to good pseudocode.
From Programming Recommendations, PEP 8. Comparisons to singletons like none should always be done with is or is not, never the equality operators. Also, beware of writing if x when you really mean if x is not none. For example, when testing whether a variable or argument that defaults to none was set to some other value. The other value might have a type, such as a container, that could be false in a Boolean context. PEP 8 is essential reading for any Python programmer.
The best bet with these types of questions is to see exactly what Python does. The DIS module is incredibly informative. Notice that the last two cases reduce to the same sequence of operations. Python reads not, val is none, and uses the is not operator. The first uses the not equal operator when comparing with none. As pointed out by other answers, using not equal when comparing with none is a bad idea.
Either of the latter two, since val could potentially be of a type that defines _eq_, to return true when passed none.